Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Amit and today we are going to start a brand new series, how to build a completely local, zero cloud, AI powered expense fraud detection system using NemoClaw, which is NVIDIA's new secure AI sandbox. And the best part is, I'm directly going to start with the live demo right now so that you can see the results in first few minutes and decide whether you want to watch this entire blog series or you want to skip it. The whole idea behind this blog turn video series is to show you step by step how to build a real business case agentic workflow end to end using NemoClaw and OpenClaw. Now, what we are going to discuss and build together in these episodes is just one specific use case, that is detecting suspicious pattern in employee expense report. But here is the key point. We are not building this just one expense fraud detection system, which is very useful. The real goal is to learn the tools deeply, the sandbox, the guardrail policies, the NemoClaw agent configuration, the file system boundaries, the loggings, etc. And once you understand how all of these pieces fit together, in this concrete example, you will be able to apply exactly the same pattern to much more sophisticated implementation in your own company. So without any delay, let's start with the demo. Let's first transition to the problem statement. Many companies have this exact challenge. Employees submit expense reports as PDF. Finance and compliance team needs to catch duplicates, unusual amounts, weekend submissions, suspicious vendors, etc., etc. But they cannot send any of that sensitive employee or financial data to ChatGPT, Claude, or any external LLM API. That's where NemoClaw shines. That's exactly why we need NemoClaw and what we are going to build today. Because it gives you a locked down local environment where powerful AI agents can still do serious reasoning and document understanding without ever worrying about leaving your infrastructure or compromising your data. So this is the live demo. Let's see what we're working with now. Here, as you can see, we have this folder structure. We have an input folder, output, approved, output, flagged, logs, and the master. I have two test PDFs, which are my input files, expense report clean PDF and expense report fraudulent. So as you can see, let me open the first report. The clean report, obviously, as the name indicates, is one of the sample clean reports. And similarly, I have another report which looks little more suspicious. The whole idea is when I want to, what my NemoClaw and OpenClaw agents to execute is to catch these errors. Now this is the final output report is going to look like. But again, remember, everything is fully executed. There's no hands involved. You can receive these reports in your WhatsApp, Telegram, and even Outlook or Microsoft Teams channel. I would never need to come to this screen and see the reports. But the whole idea for the demo purpose, I'm showing you what this does. So once you execute your OpenClaw agent and say, hey, process this expense report, which by the way is going to be fully automated, no hands involved. You don't even need to babysit anything here. And as you can see, if you pass the clean report, you see everything is good. The fraud score is very low and is moved to approved or clean JSON report. Now, if you execute the same OpenClaw agent, suspicion one, you will see that it flags that particular report and it highlights what are the shortcomings in this one. This is exactly what we are going to build. But again, everything will be fully automated, running on the cloud. You don't need to worry about that. End of the result, you can just receive the report in WhatsApp, Telegram, or Microsoft Outlook or email, whatever is your preferred communication channel is. All right, so everything, as I said, all 100% locals, no data ever left my machine. So if you like this series, and if you want to build this kind of business value, this series is something for you. So again, if you're thinking, I want to build something like this or even more advanced, then stick with me through the series. That's exactly what we are going to build, this exact system from scratch, line by line. Now here is the high level series roadmap, what I plan to do. In part one, which is today, I'm showing you the live demo and the project folder setup. In the next part, we are going to start NemoClaw and create your first sandbox. In the part 3, we are going to write bulletproof security policies. This is very essential step if you want to implement this within your organizations and you want to implement your organization policies. In part 4, we are going to build the agent logic, master expense database, etc. In part 5, we are going to automate everything. So we'll run the full automation, audit logs, and enterprise hardening tips. So again, I want to call out one thing. all the code you want to see what I'm going to discuss, you can find entire source code in the video description below. Now for today, so let's get started and create the folder structure ready so that we are going to set up for the part 2. As you can see, it's very simple. I'm just creating one very simple folders here, and don't worry about what's inside that folder. We are going to cover those ones in the next follow-up series. Here you just need a master folder. I'm going to name it, say, expense fraud detector, or it could be anything depending on your business case. And inside that fraud detector folder, I want to create subfolders saying input, output, logs, master, and agent configuration. Again, don't worry about what's going inside these folders because we are going to cover everything in the next upcoming videos. Or you can just go through the video description and see the entire source code right now. Now, I assume that you have already created the folders. Once you have done that, drop a comment and saying folders ready to go, and we are going to see you in the next part. So again, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see the part 2,